Alright, here's the result of the first bonus. So these are the listing of all the numbers that came out, which is greater than 5 times. So if you look at here, we have 14, came out 7 times. And we also have 76, came out 7 times. And the rest came out 5 times and 6 times. Right, for the bonus number 2, you see on here we have 3 numbers that hit 7 times: 24, 35, and 39. And we have a lot of 6 times at the number coming out. Right, for round 3, I see we have a few big numbers. 7 times, 25, 21, and 18. I do see one number that came out 9 times, which is number 40. Alright. Alright, so for round number 4, the bonus 4, there's not much 7 times coming out this time, but there are some 6 that coming out. There's 3 for 6 times, 50 for 6 times. The rest is 5 times. So it's not too much, but you get the idea. Alright, there's the last bonus 5, and what I see on here is one number, which is number 2, came out 7 times. The rest, there's one at 8 times, 164. That's the highest number I haven't seen. The rest is 5 or 6 times, but 7 times and 8 times came out in one bonus. That's pretty high. Right, so hopefully these will help you on your next game that you're gonna play. I'm not saying that these will be the winning numbers, but it will give you some idea on what number it released during the bonuses. If you look at here, for sure we have number 40 come out 9 times, and number 64 come out 8 times. Okay, well, hopefully this helped. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.